What is the world coming to? Dick Cheney and Bill Clinton agree on something, and on the Affordable Care Act, no less. I'm Hadley Malcolm, and this is USA Now for November 13th, 2013. That's right, Cheney and Clinton seem to have found common ground when it comes to Obamacare. Here's the lowdown. You may recall President Obama originally promised that people would be able to keep their insurance plans under the new health care law if they didn't want to switch. Then you'll also remember more recently that this turns out to not really be the case. Some Americans are losing their existing health care plans. Individuals are receiving cancellation notices if their provider changed the plan after the law was passed and the plan no longer complies with the CARE Act. Here's where Cheney and Clinton come in. Clinton has been a longtime champion of national health care. He supported Obama in implementing the Affordable Care Act. But here's what he had to say yesterday in an interview with Aussie.com.
So I personally believe, even if it takes a change in the law, the president should honor the commitment the federal government made to those people and let them keep what they got.
Cheney later appeared on Greta Van Sustern's Fox News show and said this.
I'm inclined to agree with Bill Clinton that's something that ought to be attempted.
The White House said Clinton's comments were in line, though, with recent statements from Obama. The president has asked administration officials to close some of the gaps in the law to help people whose plans are being canceled. Keep up with more Affordable Care Act news at usatoday.com.